So you're considering doing a herd screen. The first thing I'd say to you is, why do you want to do a herd screen? What we know is that after a snapshot test, if we've decided there's a good prevalence of Staph aureus in your herd, there might be an opportunity to do a reset. And that involves testing all of your cows. And that's a big job, right? So if we look at all of our cows and we imagine testing them, it's like a herd test. Morning and afternoon is a lot of work as well. But a herd screen is slightly different because we're taking samples from each and every cow to establish if they are pathogen free, if they're harbouring a major pathogen, which is an opportunity for correction, or if they have Staph aureus. It is important to recognise that not all high cell count problems are linked to Staph aureus. So first of all, that's why I suggested that we do a snapshot. The next step is we need to take the sample from the cow. Now, as much as we all like to think it's a huge job, we want to take a shortcut, right? Is there an easy way we can do this? The answer is no. I'm afraid if you want to take samples from your cows, you want to make sure the sample is actually from that cow. And the only way to do it is to physically clean the teats, strip the foremilk, alcohol wipe the teats, and take the sample from that cow so we can be sure it's from the cow. If we're tempted to take an inline sample, we're using a cluster that's in common for other cows. So straight away, we have uncertainty that the milk did actually come from that cow. So I would really encourage you, if you're thinking of herd screen, first make sure that number one, you actually need to herd screen because it might not be something you need to do. Number two, this is not something that you do all the time. This is a reset for your herd. It's an opportunity to look if you have a Staph aureus problem. And number three, we need to make sure those samples are coming just from that cow, not from other cows that are in the herd. We don't want to risk it if we're going to that much work.